大家好，今天我给大家看一下怎样在你的跑步机上安装中文输入法。我相信大家都已经 unlock 你的这个 treadmill。如果你还没有 unlock 的话，可以参看我们前面的第一期的视频。如果你 unlock 的话，你 swap the screen， 你会看到三个这个 buttons， 这个 triangle， 这个 circle 和 the square。If you click that one，coming to here, and then you can go here like the browser. So 你需要 download 这个you can Google that one, like you can Google 这个 Google 的拼音输入法，你是输入 Google Google 拼音 import， just Google import how about to do this APK Google 拼音 import APK， 你可以从这个 APK Pure you can download this one from here, and then you can just download this one here. I already download this one, and so as you can see it's coming here. Then you can just install. That's the install. Okay, already install. Then you go here again. Then you go the settings. 从这个 settings, you have to go to the language and import. Language and import. And from here, you can to the virtual keyboard. From virtual keyboard, already imported here, Google import. You can manage a keyboard. You can turn on after you install the Google pinyin, you can just turn on here. So okay, and now you're ready. So after that, you can go back your browser. For example, here you can 输入 like if you go to your YouTube, and you can do whatever you like. Search, for example, if you click here just like on the phone. So now it's become Chinese. So we can 输入大学站 you see here. So now you can do here, then you can do search. So just like on your iPad or iPhone. So it's very easy, very handy.